Hello everybody, thank you for watching Local Laptop News. I'm here in Willow Springs, Missouri for an event. They got the main street shut down. We'll see in why in a little bit. But I walked all the way down here because, look, law enforcement, U.S. Park Ranger. Figured that was cool enough to record real quick. Plus there's an old, looks like a Monte Carlo right there. Airplane in the sky. Don't know if I can get that or not, I'll try. Just trying to get that flying over. I don't know if I got that plane flying over the flag or not, but that was a cool shot if I did. Got to copy the coffee deck. Old Glory we're fixing to walk under. Doing alright by yourself? We got a little kiosk set up over here. You got Willow Springs Fire Department here and Willow Springs Police. Fair one. There's our pet rescuers down there. We'll get some close-ups of the dogs and cats we have for adoption.
I just now got here. I'm over by the truck. Monster truck.
Am I allowed to do a full round? Am I allowed to go around it fully?
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Go around, take as many photos you want with it, video it, walk cool with it.
You the driver?
Yes, sir.
That's cool. How's it feel to drive one of those things?
It's an experience. Isn't that fast, but it sure feels like you're going faster. That's
Well, they're not built for speed. They're built for torque and power.
Oh, yeah. drive one of those eventually.
You guys run over cars like the old times, or?
Oh, we try to do now and then. Try to get someone to prop a car up and then just drive the truck on top of it.
And you don't see that like you used to.
No. I would have considered a state like this where, this is where monster trucks were born.
Yeah, New York, or not New York, sorry, St. Louis.
St. Louis. And, yeah, I just would have thought this would have been like central for monster trucks. And no, not as much.
No, we only got that small team that runs around that does the fairgrounds. Is that what you're with?
No, I'm independent. But I have been invited by a group in Illinois. They're from High Octane. And they have like Blockhead, Dirt Crew, and all those trucks. They run with two extreme trucks though. But it's those group of guys. They've invited me out to an event in Illinois. I'm going to try next year and show up there.
Now, you don't even see Monster Jam coming here like they used to. Well, that was before they would Monster Jam. I mean, I remember going to like Springfield and you were still using the steel tracked, the track ones and all that. And they used to run up on the gate or the gate with the fence and show you the underbelly.
Hey man, if you're curious though, you got next to me, they'll be giving rides with it too in Van Buren.
That's cool. Hang on, let me
Yeah.
hope everybody can see that.
It's all good. Yeah, make sure if you want to promote it, go ahead. And if you can't, stop on by.
I'll try. I work so many hours a week.
I get it, man.
Nice little car.
I work my own job too outside of this.
I work two
Hopefully
jobs.
I make this my career.
I work 2 jobs, and this is what I do on my hobby time.
That's exactly what I do. This is my hobby.
Well, man, hopefully you actually get successful, and I get to see you actually running.
Yeah, perfect. I hope you're looking forward to it.
If you ever get to run at the fair, I'll definitely try to check you out. By the way, there's the Missouri flag with Old Glory. And they got this open up, so I'm gonna go look at it real quick again, everybody.
Give rides with it too. We're doing that next week. No, Van Buren.
This is the one that was in my backyard the other day. He's trying to open it.
I think it's because it's on an angle. I get it.
He's trying to get it.
Go ahead.
Oh, you're good, man.
Nah, I'm just trying to record the inside. Doing all right.
If it skips, you guys, I'm sorry. I'm a little bit away from the house, so I'm trying.
Care if I kind of get closer and kind of stick up?
Do your thing, man.
All right. Yeah, I'm still recording, just making sure because it shut down that one day when I did the square.
How are you doing?
Doing all right? How you doing, man?
Good. You still got Dusty?
Yep, he's down there.
I don't know.
Well, maybe.
Okay, come on.
Bet you that's a heavy door.
They're very, very heavy. And it's at a little bit of an angle, so it's not one to open. Maybe you're stronger than I am. I didn't eat my Wheaties. Just don't fall. Down is open.
I'm gonna laugh if the firefighter does it.
He probably will. Yeah, that's all I think it won't open because of the angle.
love you guys.
I think
All
it's
right,
because
well,
it's at an
I love you
angle.
guys. I showed you the inside. I just wanted to make sure you guys saw it. Oh my God, Mom.
I think the doors are like 800 pounds apiece.
Whew, that is heavy.
Front windows are like 275.
There's no chair on that side, right? I can climb in that side.
Yeah. I'll actually move that stuff out.
So this is what you guys use for SWAT, or?
Yeah. I mean, we utilize Powell County for the SWAT too, but like water rescue, stuff like that.
Okay, so same thing as like when I seen theirs out during the flood, they were out in there cruising in it.
Yep. That's the main purpose of it, is just kind of a rescue vehicle.
Well, I gotta admit, nice touch on the license plate. Bear 1.
Yeah. It
Fits the team.
Fits. Yep.
Everybody, Willow Springs, their mascot is the Bears, so I mean that does fit the town. Well, sir, I thank you for your time.
Absolutely. Appreciate it, man. Have a good day.
All right, you have a good one too, man. Be
Yep.
safe.
Appreciate it.
I'm gonna get close up as I can. There we go. There's the Bear 1. Alright. Some new cars down there, everybody. You can get another shot of the monster truck. Anybody want some bubblers? I do love that style of Chevy. Not much on Fords, but now this is a beautiful truck here, everybody. But so is this. Nice little Chevy pickup. Get the card so everybody can see it. Hey, how's it going? Oh, that thing's built for some power. Hey. Oh, I'd rather have the old Chevy right here. That is beautiful. And look what they're driving. Now that is just beautiful. Everybody knows me. I like my hearses and ambulances and stuff, but I love my old station wagons. I really do. And a Nomad is just a station wagon. Not a big fan of the 57 myself. I like the 55. But I mean, I take a 57. I take a 56. Nice little Dodge.
You gotta do that, man.
Love that color blue, and that is a beautiful truck.
That's a way to do it.
Yep.
Gets it all recorded at once, don't it?
Yeah. Looks like we're doing a raffle.
Publishing this.
Do what?
You work for someone that.
I have my own independent channel. I run a YouTube channel. I do cop watching, First Amendment audits, and local press.
Well, that's pretty neat.
It's a hobby.
All that one.
I wish it made some money. But I gotta get out of here because of music. Got some kiosks and stuff over here. I'll check them out on the way back down. Oh, that is a cool little trophy. I gotta get a shot of this trophy. There we go. Check this out, everybody. That is really, really cool. I love that. Nice work to whoever made that.
Thank you. Did you guys get your stickers to vote on your favorite?
How you doing, bro? They're just pretty to look at, ain't they?
I love that color. That is beautiful.
I wish you could.
Come on through, ma'am. Nice little razor bill. Get a shot of this engine too. That's got a lot of chrome on it. That's nice.
Oh, Tucker told me that he couldn't wait to get a phone. And I said, what are you going to, I said, what are you going to phone for? He said, "Just give me a call." He said, "Call me." I said, "That's all I can call it before every game."
Oh, sorry. Come on through.
Okay. Thank you.
When you come. That's a pretty one.
Yeah, I love the color of it.
Yeah.
Nice. I like that old, whatever you call it, GMC version of the Blazer. The Jimmy. There we go. I don't know if I got a good shot of this down here, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a good shot. Going through.
No, I don't know the Mexican one from there.
That's cool. They got a little mermaid. Here's what the flamingo has.
So they're working on moving out.
Another lemonade stand down there. Some popcorn.
Oh yeah, they got it so good. How you know what's fruit and what ain't? It's all.
You know, I didn't until she actually did it.
It says that.
I think it used to be my neighbor's truck. Unless he's here. I don't know if he sold it or not.
We want to start by saying thank you very much for coming out to the Beartown Teardown. It's great to say we're on our third one already.
There we go. Bear down, tear down. That's what this is called.
Bailey Chevrolet down here in Mill Springs. Guys, Bailey Chevrolet's been a big helper all year, and we want to make sure that we give him the praise he deserves for getting involved with this.
Nah, you're good. Engine's nice and beautiful, so might as well show it off. Not a big fan of this color, but on certain vehicles like this, it ain't too bad. On a truck, especially, I think it looks good on. But when you put it on like a little sports car, it clashes to me. That's just my opinion. But on a truck, this color is just beautiful. Same with this color right here. Look at all the chrome in there, everybody. That is beautiful. Oh, you're fine. Ooh, there's a lot of chrome in the dash area. If you look at that. Very beautifully done, that's for sure. Oh, Ford. Simple but efficient.
You need to go over and get a good picture of that red Ford.
Already did. I've already walked down one end. That ain't a bad looking Ford right there either. It's simple.
Yeah.
Heck, I could probably work on that.
I can't work on none of them.
I can work on some of the older ones, but these new engines, I don't even want to try.
Dusty at your... No, not Dusty. The other dog at your house?
No, we don't have him no more. Diesel?
Yeah.
We don't have him no more.
Oh, he got it home?
Yep, he got a home. Small town, everybody. Very small town. Glory in the Cardinals flag.
This I didn't. I wanted one. It's funny, I was looking around on Marketplace. Yeah, this one, the dude wanted 2,500 for it. They went down to 22, or 2 or something. They used 18. I told her, I was like, what if you take 14 for it? So they said you got to bring a trailer. He goes, oh.
I love how they kept the old Chevy caps like that. That is awesome.
Oh, I don't think
Well, they got the back door open now. I'm gonna go take another look at that.
Why is the computer like that?
Come on. Because I'm recording.
He's recording, bud. Come on.
Got the bike on the back and everything.
No, it is Bear Pen part. Yes.
Do love the color combo on the old two-tones like that. You know how I see the two-tone colors anymore.
Yeah. Let me know when you need some. Oh,
Check out the old pedal car. That is pretty cool. I used to actually have one of those when I was a kid. I used to wreck it all the time on purpose. It was fun. Ride it down a hill. Do the same thing with the old red wagons too. Radial flyer red wagon. Oh, I gotta get a shot of this. This is beautiful. They've got the old wooden floor in that. That is awesome. And this is a 4-door. That's very cool. I'll go around this one and get a shot on the inside. Excuse me, sir. I'm just trying to get a shot on the inside. Oh, that is so awesome. I love cars like that. The old ones. Even an old Mustang, I'd be happy to have. They got this open, so I'm gonna go look real quick. Oh, you guys got it open.
Finally.
Who got it open?
It took a
Him?
fireman. I'll admit it, took a fireman.
Haulage and tool, or no?
No, it
Just
had a
straight?
latch on the inside.
I'm not gonna get in there. I'm just gonna do it like this.
Oh, go ahead. I'll move in there.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right. Oh wow, they got the ramming tool for the doors. Tell you what, postal hole thing, postal hole driver does the same thing for ramming a door. I had to do that a couple times.
Yep, works wonders.
Done that a couple times on my old trailer door. Locked the keys in and grabbed that out of the shed and whammed the door open.
It happens. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Yep, that was better than breaking a window.
True.
Well, you guys have a good one.
Take care, man.
Hi. Cute little dog. Children's Behavioral Services. We got a bounce house. And then here's the Ozark Pet Rescue.
Excuse me.
Hi, Dusty. There's our foster. Hi, boy. Hi, Dusty. I know, you're not liking this. They got him a bigger cage to go in? Sweet. They peed in it. I'll do it in a second. I'm trying to get all the puppies and stuff. I figured I'll just do one whole video. There we go, coming to the camera. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Hi. Hi. He's a sweetheart. That's the one that I foster. There's one running on a leash. So everybody can see it is not too bad on a leash.
Come on, sweetheart. I know you said your
Hi, puppy. His name is Dusty. Yep. I found him on a dirt road. That's why I named him Dusty Roads, actually. Someone just abandoned him, so.
I hate when people do that.
Yeah, I do too. Here's all the cats that we got, and I'll show you some more puppies as soon as I can get to them. Hi, kitty kitty. Hi. Oh. Look at that. Grab a hold of me, started licking off the bat. Here's a black cat right here. Hi, kitty kitty. Oh, you're a cutie. Hi. Oh, you're a sweetheart.
Did not make it through to the end. So she just came back. I think it was just behavioral, you know.
Hi, do you want to come to the camera? Hi.
But she's
Hi.
not a problem.
Oh, there we go. I'm trying to get your eyes. Let me get your eye. Ah. Let me see your eyes. There we go.
She's basically been
I'm sorry.
home.
Ah. Trying to get his or her eyes.
Sorry. And then returned back because
I know
Come
her
on.
eyes are so pretty.
Yeah, well, that's why I'm trying to get them. You know, we might actually get somebody to actually want it. Come here. There we go. There we go. I think I got the eyes that time.
You're so cute.
little babies.
All right, everybody. This is Lucky Laptop News. I'm signing off. Till next time, everybody, peace out. Don't be a gubbot. If you're going to be out and about traveling, be safe. May the luck be with you. Later.